Welcome to the kitchen, get ready, let's go. It's cooking with Jack, put on a tasty show.
Okay guys, so I didn't kind of think this out, so I'm about ready to admit something I did wrong, okay? Not the first time, that's what makes the show so real. Seafood month was a bad idea. Living in Tennessee and doing seafood, really? South Carolina, Florida, California, seafood makes sense. But anyway, so on Jack and the Go, we're stopping searching for seafood because it's so hard. I mean, if you get seafood in Tennessee, you're paying like 40 some odd dollars a plate, and I'm not going to ask you to do that. So there are some videos I want to do on Jack and the Go that excite me, that I've been holding on to. We're going to lay it out now. We're going to do it. So, just to let you know, we're no longer doing seafood. I think yesterday we released a new Jack and the Go, I think. Doing what I want to do. Doing what you care about. Seafood was dumb. I said it, now what? Anyway, cooking with Jack. Seafood's affordable. So let me show you what we're doing today. All right, come in close so you can see all this laid out. Okay, obviously we're doing the salmon video. So we got 2 pieces of gorgeous Atlantic salmon, and we're gonna put that on cedar wood, okay? Then we're gonna season with black garlic and cilantro lime. Okay, that's it. We're gonna cook this on a regular grill, but we're gonna put the cedar wood with the fish on it off the heat. So it'll be more like an oven, but you can throw it on your grill. So the first thing we're gonna do, cedar wood flavors your fish, okay? If this had skin, you would put the skin side down on the cedar wood. So we're gonna soak this wood for 2 hours. So it will steam and the flavor will penetrate the fish, okay? It's already got garlic, black garlic and cilantro lime on it, but with a hint of cedarwood smoke. So grab yourself a cookie sheet that'll hold both boards. Pour some water in the cookie sheet. Drop your boards in. Just leave them in there for 2 hours. And by the way, when you put that on that and cook it on the grill, you don't ever have to flip it, okay? You can cook it anywhere from 125 to I think 140. I'll double check on the times and I'll put it on the screen. So first what we're gonna do is pour water on the boards. Fill it up. Let me see here. These are floating. So you're probably gonna have to weigh down the items like that and that. There we go. Much better. Make sure everything's covered. Okay, the boards are all covered in water. That's all we need. How about the rest? Good to go. Okay, keep those weighed down. Let the boards become saturated. You can probably move the board a little bit to help the water reach. Come on. There we go. Get the water to reach it all. There. Now they're soaking. Okay, good. Now, while that's going on, grab your seasoning. Make sure it's not all clumped up. And I coat kind of heavily in it with the cilantro lime. They're now ready to go outside, so let's get them on the grill. See these bad boys in a few minutes. Got our meat thermometer. Our board's soaked for 2 hours. Fish is seasoned perfect. Let's see what happens. Literally, the fish has been on for like 5 minutes. And I can already smell the cilantro lime. Good seasoning. I love that. Smells great out here on the porch. I just came off the grill. The boards will warp from the heat. Don't worry about it. You're throwing them out anyway. Okay, and then we're just letting the fish rest. Cooked it to a beautiful 130. While it's resting, about 15 minutes, I'm telling you what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the seasoning to be good. I'm looking for the smokiness of the cedar wood penetrating the fish. If I don't taste it in the fish, then I'm not recommending it. All right, let's show you what it looks like inside. We're kind of between rare and medium rare. Some people like well done. I think it's dry. So let's try it out. Let's cut this in half. Okay, flaky. Yep. Looks good. I love salmon. Looks good. Let's give it a try right now. All right, let's try it. Here we go. Let's see if the cedar came through or not. I wouldn't recommend the cedar boards. I don't know if they're cheap. I can taste it, but very little. Not worth it. You could put it on, you could bake in the oven. But the cilantro lime is amazing on fish. Who would have knew, right? Well, I figured it would be. That's why I chose it. The garlic's good. You can do garlic butter. You can do herbs and garlic butter. Do whatever you want, but the salmon rocks. Tastes good. Cedar boards were a failure. And that's it. So, I'll see you on the next episode. Hopefully, by next week, I can get my hands on a whole octopus. I'm working on it.